How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. And today, let's take a look at this problem called service not available, and there's a server issue with the TikToks on iPhone. If you found this type of pops up on your iPhone at the very same time, if you know there's something is wrong going on with the TikTok server and you want to get a quick fix, then this is exactly what you need to do. Now, this problem can happen for a few different reasons. If TikToks decide to shut down from your country, or if there's a server issue with the TikTok server itself, or if you move one country to another, this problem, pretty often occur on devices. Now, before we get started, the first thing that you got to do, just simply go ahead and open up your software browser here, and now simply type this down detector.com. Simply tap go here and tap search, and you want to type TikTok. So what this will do, this will actually go into search for the TikTok, and this will let you know whether the server is up or down. Just take a look at this report. If it says user report indicate no current problem, that means there's no problems going on with the TikToks. However, if you see, well, the chart is actually going upper, and if it says user report there is a problem with TikToks, then you have to understand there's a ongoing server issue. In that case, well, to be honestly speaking, you can do nothing about it unless you wait around like for about an hour or even a day to see whether the problem is get auto solved or not. Well, if you see, well, it's not really working, the next thing that you got to do, let's say there's no server issue, everything is fine, but you got problem for yourself, the next thing that you want to do is just go ahead and open up your settings here, and you want to go to the general, and you want to scroll down, and first you want to tap on language and region. So make sure your language and region is perfectly, correctly set on your iPhone. If it's incorrect, you might encounter the same problem. At the very same time, you also want to take a look at the date and time. Sometimes if you have incorrect date and times, you might face similar problems with the applications. Well, after that, mostly your problem is going to be solved. However, if you still have a problem, there are two work that you guys can do. First, you can open up the App Store, and you can tap search, type TikTok here, and you're probably going to get the apps here. So make sure your app is up to date. If you see, well, there's no update, then you have to offload the applications. However, if you see there's an update, go ahead and update it. Just like I said, if it has no update, just go to the settings, and you want to go to the general and go to the iPhone storage, and you simply want to find out the TikTok from here. Select it, tap offload again, and then tap reinstall applications. Now, this might take a little time, but don't worry, after that I can tell you guys your problem is going to be solved. However, if you see, well, the problem is happening after getting banned, then what I can really recommend you guys to do, just go ahead and open up your app store and try to change the region. All you can do is just go ahead and change your region from your app store. So I have another dedicated video on how you can actually change your country and regions on App Store. I'll give you the video link in the descriptions. Now, after that, after changing your country and regions from your App Store, I think your problem is going to be solved. This is all. If you guys have any more questions to ask, please let me know in the comment section, guys. See you all around.